Welcome back to Infinite Possibilities of You, and thank you for being here. I'm truly grateful you've joined me today, because this topic is one that holds so many people back. Fear. Fear of failing. Fear of judgment. Fear of not being good enough. Today, we're going to explore how to overcome fear, and more importantly, how to take action even when fear is loud. Fear never really goes away. The most successful people in the world still feel it. The difference is, they've learned how to act in spite of it. Think about this. How many opportunities have you missed because you waited for the fear to disappear? What dreams did you delay because you thought you needed more confidence first? In this video, I'll share the strategies high achievers use to move through fear, take action anyway, and transform anxiety into momentum. We've all been there, staring at an opportunity but frozen. Maybe it's starting a business, speaking in public, applying for that dream job, or even telling someone how you feel. Fear whispers, what if you fail? What if people laugh? What if you're not ready? That's the ordinary world, paralyzed by hesitation. But the call to adventure comes when you realize that fear will always exist, and action is the only cure. Fear isn't the enemy, it's information. It tells you where the edge of your comfort zone is. High achievers don't wait for fear to disappear. They use it as a compass. Think of fear as a green light, not a red one. If you're scared, it probably means the action matters. Every time you feel fear, tell yourself, this is a signal I'm growing. When you shift fear from a stop sign to a guidepost, it loses its power. Fear grows in hesitation. The longer you wait, the bigger it feels. But the moment you act, fear shrinks. Consider skydiving. The fear is highest on the plane. Once you jump, it transforms into exhilaration. Life works the same way. Fear peaks before the action, not during it. So practice this habit. The 5-second rule. Count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Send the email. Make the call. Step on stage. Action breaks fear's grip. Every hero feels fear. Nelson Mandela once said, I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Think of J.K. Rowling, who was rejected 12 times before Harry Potter was published. She was terrified of failure, but she submitted again anyway. Elon Musk faced massive fear when starting SpaceX. Failure meant financial ruin, but he acted and eventually succeeded. The lesson: fear is part of the journey, not a sign you should stop. One reason fear feels so heavy is because we tie our self-worth to the result. If the business fails, I'm a failure. If I'm rejected, I'm not good enough. But achievers separate their identity from outcomes. Success and failure are events, not definitions. The habit is this: when fear rises, remind yourself, win or lose, I am still me, and I will grow from this either way. That mindset frees you to take bold action without fear of losing yourself. Confidence isn't born, it's built. Every time you act in spite of fear, you collect evidence that you are courageous. Start small. Speak up in a meeting. Try a new skill. Have the tough conversation. Each action becomes a brick in the foundation of confidence. Over time, fear doesn't disappear, but your belief in your ability to handle it gets stronger. Fear doesn't go away because you wish it would. It goes away because you act. When you reframe fear, take action quickly, detach from outcomes, and build evidence of courage, you transform. You stop waiting for the perfect moment, and instead, you create it. That is the power of action. If you're still with me, thank you for watching until the end. I'm truly grateful for your time, your focus, and your commitment to growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's letting fear hold them back. And in our next video, we'll explore the power of consistency. Small wins, big results. Because courage starts the journey, but consistency carries you to the finish line. See you in the next one.